Hello coders, welcome back you all in my channel, and in this video tutorial we will see how you can blur any background image in your HTML project by writing few lines in your CSS. So the effect you can see here, this type of effect you can create.
Hey, my name is Raj. You are watching Coder, and if you are interested in web development and programming, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's start after this small intro.
First of all, we have to create a folder. So here I have created blur background. You can see the folder here. So this is the bg3.jpg. This is the background image we will use. This is the index.html file, and the other one is style.css, means CSS file. So basically these three things is present inside this folder. So I have already created to save the time. So first of all, we will open our Visual Studio Code, and in the half section I have opened Visual Studio Code, and in the other half side I have opened the browser, so you can see the changes instantly. So here you can see the image bg3.jpg and index file and the CSS file is present. So now what we have to do, you can see I have written a text inside the body and there is nothing. So extra one thing you have to do, you have to link that CSS file. So here you can see the code, and that is very easy. If you are a beginner, you only have to write that link tag, and inside the href you have to provide the path. And after that I will remove the h1, and here I will write a class, so bg image. So this is a class, and now I will write inside the CSS file that bg image, and inside this bg image I will provide the background image first of all. So I will write background, and then I will provide URL for that image and the path. So you can see this is the bg3.jpg, and now I will provide the height of this bg image 100 view height, and width will be 100. So width is also 100 view width. Now background size I will write cover, so that because the image is extra zoomed, so to fit inside your screen we have to write background cover. And now you can see the border from up and left side. So to remove that I will write asterisk universal selector, and inside that margin 0 and padding 0. So by this that border will be removed. And now inside the bg image class I will write filter. So this is the filter effect, and inside this we will write blur and then parenthesis, and after that inside that parenthesis you have to write a number and pixel, means 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 100, that provide blurriness how much you need. So if I write here 2 pixels, so you can see blurriness is low. When I increase that, then it also increases. If I increase it to 500, so you can see nothing is visible if it is 50. So this is how you can provide how much you need this effect. And now there is a problem. You can see in the corner of all side you can see a whitish type of effect, shadow type. So this is a problem in this filter. So to remove that we will zoom this image little bit. So we will write transform and then scale. Inside this scale I will write 1.02 or 1.05. so you can see the image is little bit zoomed, and that whiteness effect is now removed. So this is the trick to remove that white effect from the border of this image. You have seen how you can blur any background image inside your CSS, and how to remove that white effect from the border of your image. So this is it for this video, friends, and see you in next video with another topic of HTML and CSS. Till then, goodbye and take care all of you.